Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M10 Detail, back-to-back videos, window tint PPF, same outfit, sorry about that. So today we're gonna be going over the tools we use to do paint protection film, help you guys out, let you know what you should buy and what you shouldn't buy kind of. So we're just gonna get through it real quick. You're gonna wanna use a steamer. This is gonna help with really concave curves or sharp bends. The steamer's gonna relax the film, help it tack down. Steamer's great. You do not want to have a pressure tip on there. You just want to let it flow out by itself, warm up the film evenly, and it works really good. Steamer is like a must. So, and then we have our IK spray, Molten 9. Works really good if you're doing big panels like a full fender or full hood. You're able to get a lot of coverage with a bigger sprayer. We also use our P2, the poly spray, just as we use for window tint, we use it for PPF. And we do have a heat gun. Use the heat gun at the end of it when you're about to wrap all the edges. If you're gonna wrap around, the heat gun will help you tack them in right away so you're not waiting hours letting it dry. I also use an air compressor to blow out the edges to speed up the process to tucking. Don't be blowing them at 150 PSI. I blow them at about around 45, 50 PSI, so nothing too crazy. You tear up the film to get a bunch of debris back into it. You just wanna get the water and the liquid slip solution out of it. So let's get into our little patch. Just like window tint, we use a red dot. I also have another one. I like this one too. Works really good. We use the same blades of OFLA, 30 degree. Then we have our soft yellow turbo, hard yellow turbo. We have, I use this not so much for PPF, but say if I'm doing a mirror, I'll spray it down. You know, I already cleaned it, but I'll spray it down, give it a quick wipe real quick, make sure there's no debris on the paint. These work really good, super flexible. So check those out. And then we also have our Geek Wrap squeegee, not squeegee, but hard card. So these work really good plastic, really nice for tucking. And if you need to get any liquid out of the PPF, you can just use it around the corner. It will suck up the liquid from the PPF and help tack down that area you're working on. Really good stuff, not too cheap though. I believe they're like $14 to $17 for a little hard card. Whew. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, the Fusion Turbo Squeegee. These work really good. It's Turbo Pro. Really nice and firm, able to take a lot of angles at the same time. Works really good, must for PPF. All right guys, so these things from 3M work excellent. So if you're talking about a concave hood or something, so you lay the PPF and you have that bubble in that whole crevice, you're able to throw this in, able to take the bend and squeegee out. They work really good. The small one works really good in tight areas. So these work really good. I'm really happy I bought these. And then the ultimate, the PPF Hornet by Fusion, great tool. So you got yellow, which is more soft, and then you have black on the back side, which is more firm. You can use the soft side or you can swap it over for the hard side. Really cool 2-in-1 little combo. It works really great. I really enjoy these. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll put a link for some of these items in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick video. It's Mark with M10 Detail. Mark out.